Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also make sure to go down in the description and sign up to GRVT, who I've partnered with this month. They're offering some big airdrop and reward incentives for using their platform in the description below, so go get involved with that. Along with the other links, loads of free money and opportunities on the table, so go sign up below to everything. And also finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the link as well, and we can get you sorted out with that. It's been allowing me to average into the crypto markets over the past few years. And you can see obviously Polygon here, no exception to this. I was just buying in every month, really, every month of candles, just continuing to average in as the price just continued to chop around during the bear market, waiting for that bull market time. We've recently come down for an extended move to the downside, as we can see on the charts, back to retest that very, very extreme bear market range low, which we almost got into. We didn't quite come down and retest it. And you can see in this local area a very interesting set of events occurring. We've got this really stark downtrend. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside, huge parabolic move to the downside down here. Bought back up to around that 40 cent level, which it broke the downtrend resistance, which was interesting to me, testing back into our 100 moving average on the daily and that 0.23 Fibonacci level. And you can see here we basically reverted back into this area of structure and just completely nullified that whole pump to the upside, with Bitcoin having another plunge to the downside, basically crushing the price action of altcoins. But I thought it was interesting that we could see this kind of volume for Polygon. As you can see, this is the last time that we had this kind of push to the upside in such a parabolic manner. In terms of buying was all the way back here when the sentiment was a lot different, and this was actually an area of reversal. You can see here obviously we came and reverted and basically came back inside of our resistance again, but we're coming into this local area here. Huge bullish divergences coming in at the lower lows on the price action, higher lows on the RSI, which usually signals a loss of strength of the downtrend, and most likely we're going to have a reversal in this area. We could go a bit lower, but in my opinion it's getting quite likely now, judging by the fact we broke the resistance already. We'll probably be looking at getting a reversal in this local area. Like I said in my previous videos, I think taking a long position here is probably a fairly safe bet for me. Something that I've actually taken now. I've put in a small, medium-sized long position at this area because I do think this downtrend is losing strength very quickly in this area. You can see over the past few days we are completely just basically going sideways, not much volume and not much movement in either direction. I do think altcoins are going to get some relief over the next few weeks. We are seeing the signs all across the board. You can see Polygon here, very clean bullish divergence at the low, already in a very overextended downtrend. We recently broke resistance and got some good volume to the upside. In my opinion, it's more likely that we head back to the upside again than we do fall further from this area. Stop loss just below the bear market low, which is back here. In my opinion, we'll probably be getting a nice reversal in this area for Polygon. It looks pretty likely in my opinion. So just chilling and waiting for that to occur. Right now, waiting for Bitcoin to sort its life out. Like and subscribe for more.